Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing my new wishlist plants, Alocasia Dragon Scale Variegated. The plant was shipped from New York City using the next day UPS service. The box was packed securely, but I'm not sure what's the point of this silver plastic bag because when I touch it, it's actually pretty hot. On this hot summer day, this silver plastic bag will actually retain the heat. So I'm not sure if it's actually a good way of wrapping plants in a box. Anyway, the seller used a bunch of curtains, soft curtains, to keep the leaves from moving inside the box. The plant looks okay, but I have to be honest, it was actually pretty warm. The whole thing was really warm. I'm gonna say that this variegated Alocasia Dragon Scale is very stunning. Look at the beautiful dark green, yellow, lime green leaf. A little speckled here and there, shiny, thick leaves. Overall, I'm very satisfied with this plant. Look at this half moon leaf. It is stunning beyond belief. So the seller wrapped the plant with damp moss. So I decided to transfer the plant into a mix of perlites and moss and sprinkle a little bit with fish tank water and a mix of Super Thrive. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video of Alocasia Dragon Scale Variegated. If you have any tips on how to take care of these plants, please leave a comment down below. Also, please like and subscribe to my channel to see more plants unboxing videos, DIY plant projects, and plants time lapse. I will see you again in the next video. Have a good day.